Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 Honda CRF250X. This bike is offered for $4,199 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great looking enduro bike. It has a brand new tires on it, also aftermarket exhaust. The bike just had a complete service on it, oil change, valves adjusted. This thing's dialed in and ready to go. In addition, a previous customer put some nice Cycra hand guards on there. Also has a little hour meter on the side. This thing's dialed in and ready to go. Again, only $4,199 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one. Also forgot to mention this bike is sticker, so you can ride it year round.